Hello teachers and creators, and welcome back to Studio by EduSquad. Today I'm tackling a classic classroom debate of interactive flat panels versus the whiteboard. I'm sure a lot of among you must have used both, and come on, we all know whiteboards have served us well. But are they cutting it in today's digitalized era and technology-driven classrooms? Let's find which one reigns supreme for engaging students and making your life as an educator a whole lot easier. Traditional whiteboards, while familiar and reliable, come with several limitations that hinder effective learning. Like, for example, limited functionality. Whiteboards offer a basic writing surface, restricting teachers to only using markers and erasers. They lack the ability to display multimedia content such as videos, images, or interactive elements. And IFPs, on the other side, have enhanced functionality. As you can see, IFPs act as a computer and a projector rolled into one. They display high quality visuals, as you can see, and videos and animations, and even allow for internet browsing. The versatility enriches lessons and caters to different learning styles. Second, engagement. As you can see, traditional whiteboards are static and unengaging. Lessons become monotonous and limited visual appeal. Whiteboards don't allow for real-time collaboration between your classes or digital resources, dampening student engagement. Whereas, on the other hand, interactive flat panel, as its name suggests, interactive learning. IFPs are touch sensitive, allowing teachers and students to interact with anyone and connecting directly. This fosters a more collaborative learning environment and promotes active participation in the classes. On the third, we have time consuming. For example, the whiteboards are messy and time consuming, whereas our interactive flat panels are time saving and are very efficient. Erasing markers can be messy and time consuming, disrupting the flow of lessons. Additionally, teachers have to spend extra time preparing visual aids on separate materials. For example, if the teacher is teaching periodic lesson, if the teacher is teaching triangles, or the teacher is teaching any topic or chapter of physics, they have to manually leave the class and draw every image, and they have to write on it, and they have to continue erase the image, and they have to write it again. Like if I'm explaining surface area volume, for example, and I have to draw a cuboid, I have to again and again draw a cuboid or a cylinder for every topic, for every question coming. And after that, if teachers also have periodic tables, so they can't easily teach the students because they don't have a manual periodic table. And with this, the workflow is very much hindered because students start talking, chatting, and teachers break the link into between. So that's why we suggest and recommend teachers of schools and coachings to use interactive flat panels, because they allow you to use images, video, animations, PPT along with students. It simplifies the life of teachers in a different level. Literally, believe it. And when I say IFPs are time saving, teachers can easily access and display pre-prepared lessons and materials on IFPs. And this eliminates the need for time-consuming whiteboard setup and allows for more interactive activities, since it also saves your time. Next, accessibility. Accessibility means how you are accessing the interactive flat panel or your whiteboard. Students with visual impairments may find it difficult to see content written on whiteboards. For example, if a student is visually prepared, he does not have an ability to see properly. So how? If I'm writing on this, consider it a whiteboard. If I'm writing a lessons of science or physics, how is the student supposed to read it? I mean, there is no other lessons, there's no audio, there's no nothing specially abled in that. And IFPs can be connected to assistive technologies, benefiting students with disabilities. Font size and color and many other adjustments can be made just for those students and better visibility. You must now realize that using a whiteboard in 2024 is an uphill battle. And teachers, I really feel you should allow yourself to ease your burden a little by shifting to digital boards. Now you must be a little convinced that buying a digital board in 2024 would be a great choice. Let me tell you the place to buy digital panels in India when making such big investment. It is so important to associate with the right and reliable company. At EduSquad, we understand the power of interactive learning. EduSquad is the leading provider of high-quality interactive flat panels and educational solutions in India. We offer a range of IFPs which are suitable for various classrooms, sizes, and budgets. And you must be thinking, why EduSquad? What is this special? EduSquad is the right step for your school and coaching, and here is why. I'll tell you why, guys. I want to start convincing all the teachers and creators by telling high quality products. EduSquad does not deal in any white label products. Every product, every equipment, every studio setup equipment you will find us would be of premium and the most premium quality in India. And we offer interactive flat panels from reputable brands known for their performance and durability. Our panels feature high resolution displays and advanced features. Second, we have expert service and support, which is, by the way, our USP. We provide comprehensive pre-sale, post-sale services and support, guiding you through the selection process and installation, and after that training. One more thing is that we offer a wide range of studio setup equipments and solutions. At EduSquad, you will find comprehensive suite of educational solutions including digital content, classroom furniture and software solutions. And this allows you to create a fully equipped and technologically advanced learning environment from a single source. Next is the most important, affordable, means price. We at EduSquad recognize the budget constraints faced by educators. We offer a variety of IFPs at different price points, ensuring you find a solution that fits your needs as well as budget. The motto of EduSquad is happiness guarantee, and every customer leaves just like this. I mean it when I'm saying this. Your satisfaction is our priority. EduSquad offers a worry-free experience with our commitment to customer satisfaction. Invest in the future of education. Interactive flat panels are not just a technological upgrade. They represent a shift towards a more interactive and engaging learning environment. After all of this, if you're ready to create a future-proof learning space for your students, look no further, as EduSquad is a one-stop solution for all digital creators. With the value of investment and lifetime assistance, we bring you to the finest solution-based service. Give us a call on this number and we'll connect with you ASAP to serve you with the best service. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.